Hi, I'm Kathy from Room, and in today's tutorial, I'll show you 3 different ways to invite others to your Room call. From your dashboard, you can click on the copy link icon, then directly share it to whomever. But know that this is a personal link, so be careful who you share it with. On the Me page, you can easily create a room invite. Just choose the room, title, date, start, and end time. Then add participants' emails in the invite section to send the invitation directly. If you've already started a call but forgot to invite someone, just head to the participants icon and send them a direct link, or send them an invite via Gmail, default email, or Facebook. Those were the 3 ways to invite others to your Room call. Thanks for joining me on this tutorial, and have a room-tastic day. Bye!